my eye won't stop playing me.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a ColourPop haul. I recently placed an order on ColourPop maybe a month ago. I purchased some of their new Luxe lipsticks, which I've been super excited to try because I have just been in like a huge, I want like luscious moisturized lips, and I've been really getting into bullet lipsticks. When I first got into lipsticks, it was the whole like liquid lipstick trend. So literally all of my lipsticks are liquid lipsticks. So now that I'm still into lipsticks, but I want a little bit of different finish, I've been really getting into regular bullet lipstick. If you guys know me, you know I am obsessed with ColourPop. I love pretty much everything they make. This purchase did include their new collab, which was with MakeupShayla, and I did purchase two things from her collaboration with ColourPop. I tried to restrict myself. I mean, I was like, what do I think I will wear? Because in reality, I don't wear eyeshadows every single day, so I was like, we should hold out on the eyeshadow palette, even though I think it is stunning. So what I did purchase from her collection was obviously one of the Luxe lipsticks. This is in the color Quickie, which is the shade I'm wearing right now. I love it. It is just like a really nude, peachy color, and I just think it's like my perfect light nude. I think their Luxe lipsticks are amazing. I did purchase one other. I love the packaging. I love how it feels. These are $7, but they just feel super luxe. Next thing I bought from her collection, well, the last thing I bought from her collection, loose powder highlight in Boomin, and everyone was saying this was a really amazing product, so I was like, okay, I need it. It is unfortunately too dark for my face, but the other thing I'm not too crazy about is this is glitter. It is like obviously like a deep gold, which is why I'm unable to put it on my face, but it just has like chunks of glitter, and it's not something I want on my face. But what I actually do really like this for is my body. What I take is just this powder brush from e.l.f. And honestly, I just like work it in, I'll do side-by-side comparison, like work it into my skin. Do you just, gosh. This is just with it. This is without it. So I don't like this on the face at all. It's too dark, but just, it's not my cup of tea. I don't like that like really glittery highlight. I like it to be more metallic, not really like a glitter. So yeah, but I'm obsessed with it on the body, because what you do on the body is you want that glitter, because if it is like a straight metallic, you're gonna look like a Tin Man. This is gonna be like my summer staple. I love that taking a product that I wasn't really fascinated with for my original intention and putting it on like a different part of my body and like being obsessed with it is really awesome. So I just like, I feel so bronzy and glowy. Okay, so moving on to all the rest of the things I got another Luxe lipstick, and this is in the color Appy. This is just more of a deeper shade. It's still like a light nude, but like it's more like a My Lips But Better kind of shade. Not necessarily like the color, but like the intensity of the pigment. This one is just a lot lighter. If I'm not super into like this light nude, this is just more of like a neutral, like not as much in your face. Love Appy. I did pick up a couple lip glosses from two different collaborations. I picked up the Ellarie and ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in Steelo, and I just remember watching Jackie Aina's video on this collection, and Steelo looked so beautiful on her, and it is one of the most comparable to Fenty Gloss Bomb. It just has such beautiful glitter in it. And then the Ultra Glossy Lip in collaboration with Kathleen Lights, which I love Kathleen Lights so much. I have all her lip products because I just love everything she comes out with. This is in Moonchild, and it's basically just a nice nude mauve with gold glitter. I honestly haven't played too much with these glosses, but I do like applying them both like pretty sheerly over top of my lipsticks. And then I really wanted a nice bold combo, so I picked this Ultra Satin in Come Up, which is like a vibrant peachy coral. Peachy red coral. It's just a really nice coral kind of color. I think it's just so gorgeous. It's different than Cozy. They're completely different. This is like a vibrant orange, like hot orange red. This is like a more pinky coral kind of shade. But this is very, very intense too. And I just really, really like it as like a more muted version of that. So I really do like this, and I wanted something to pair with it, so I did get this lip liner in Oversized. So in terms of like my absolute favorite things that I think you definitely should purchase, obviously Come Up Ultra Satin Lip. It is my new favorite summer lip product. I'm really, really excited to continue wearing this. I love wearing like whites and this, or like if I'm wearing no color and wearing this, it just like really, really pops. My other favorites are definitely Shayla's collection, Boomin Highlight and Quickie Luxe Lipstick. This is just my all over body glow for the summer. So if you want a nice body glow, definitely pick this up. And then Quickie, I think everyone needs this lipstick. That was my ColourPop haul, or my most recent ColourPop haul. I buy from ColourPop too much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you click the little pop-up and subscribe. Also follow all my social media. I'm really, really into Instagram right now, so if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, well, I post a lot of makeup pictures, I post a lot of outfit pictures, so it would really mean a lot to me if you check me out on Instagram, and I'm always on Twitter, so if you want to talk to me on Twitter, definitely follow me there as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any video suggestions, leave those in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video.